How to recover mail with Stellar Mail Converter. Stellar Mail Converter is one of the best software which able to convert a variety of emails clients including Apple Mail, Postbox, Thunderbird, Outlook, Eudora, SeaMonkey, Outspring Mail and many other to popularly used emails clients such as Apple Mails or Outlook 2011. This tools is users friendly and starts working just in few clicks. After the conversation, the only things which you have to do is to convert the mail's database to the respective emails client. It is compatible with macOS X 10.7. Some special features of Stellar Mail Converter. This software helps to convert Apple Mail to Outlook 2011. It also converts Outlook 2011 backup files to the Apple Mail. It helps to convert the Thunderbird MBOX file easily to any of the Outlook 2011 and Apple Mail. This software helps to convert the MBOX files of the Post account to the Mac 2011 RGE files and Apple Mail MBOX files easily. It provides the facility to convert folders selectively. Some additional features of Stellar Mail Converter. This tool provides the option to see the converted emails in the demo versions of this software. It supports emails client including Apple Mail, Thunderbird, Outlook 2011, Postbox, MailMate, SeaMonkey, Outspring and Opera Mail. It easily helps to convert the Eudora to Outlook 2011, RGE, and Apple Mail MBOX. This software is compatible with High Sierra. It helps to increase scanning. This software helps to increase the user's interface and the user's experience. You can install the free version of this software to know the working process of this software. But the trial version of this software has limitations. So, for the better facility, install the license versions of this software. For more details, please visit the site www.freesoftbooks.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this videos.